15 August. 15th August is not just a date. It's a date which make India India again. It's the result of sacrifice made by millions of people. India is not just a land or place or some lines marked on some paper. It's the legacy of thousands of years. It's the belief of people in India that makes them call it Bharat Mata. It's the journey of how the people of this land, the people who born in this land, the people who owns the land but still couldn't call it their own land. The result of sacrifices, war and lives of millions of freedom fighters who fought for it and took it from those who took it from us and made us slaves. It's not just a date. This Independence Day, let's celebrate it by passing the legacy of thousands of years from kingdoms of Maurya to Chola to Nanda and kings as Samrat Ashok to Maharana Pratap to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, and from freedom fighters like Tilak to Bhagat Singh to Gandhi and leaders like Ambedkar to Atal Bihari Vajpayee to APJ Abdul Kalam. To our next generation so that they can learn it, remember it and pass on to their next. And by remembering this journey and standing on that legacy that from what India is made of, they can hoist the great Tiranga all up high in the sky. This Independence Day, let's make a decision to pass on the legacy to our next. WO Group wishes you an happy Independence Day. With a request to all to pass our legacy to our next so they can know that India is not just a